Vinkesh Gulati to talk about what he's making of auto right now. Vinkesh, apologies, got a little, miscommunication there. But soon we'll have the monthly sales data trickle in for autos. Help us understand what is it that you're mapping in terms of what could deliver, what would not?
Uh, Thank you. Thanks for having me. Giving the data 2 days before, it's a bit difficult, but yes, I can give you the sentiments. Overall, the sentiments in the market is still positive, and across all segments, we see that year on year, the figures should be in positive. The retails are happening, and the supply issues which had been before in the cars are now seeing a bit of better position than before. Market is positive, and even two-wheeler as of today is seeing a good jump due to the marriage season, what is going around with in the North India, because two-wheeler is the sales see a big jump. And if I talk about other categories like commercial vehicle, yes, there is a bit of a challenge which is being seen today, but I am hopeful that it will be covered up. So maybe year on year, even commercial vehicle may see a positive thing, but a challenge is started seeing. And overall, the market in auto as of now is positive. So don't see a problem today. The marriage season, like I told, will still continue in June. So hoping that that will also help the coming months to be in positive because of that.
The data what we are getting from auto companies seems to be pointing something else. They are telling us semiconductor problem is over, demand is coming back, inflationary issues are behind them.
So thanks, Nikunj, for that question, because that is where FADA comes in. There is one story which comes from the OEM, the other story which normally FADA gives, which is the ground reality. And we actually give what sentiments we are looking at the customers and all. So no doubt semiconductor story is behind us, but it is behind us to the level where the optimum production capacity was there. And still there is a gap between in the demand and the booking as of today, or the supply and the demand as of now for some models, which was a year back, it was a major issue because 80% models were on waiting period. But today, I feel every OEM has only one or two models which are on waiting period, or whatever the latest launches had been. So semiconductor issues are still prevalent wherever the production capacity is increasing to cover up the backlog demand. But overall, practically, we have now reached at least 3 lakh plus retail and 3 lakh plus production for the past 8 to 9 months, which has been the ever highest in the car industry of late. But yes, the gap is still there because the bookings are very high. You just heard about Mahindra, where they said some big numbers of 3 lakh plus where the bookings are pending. Even whenever you talk to Maruti, they talk about 4 lakh plus booking. But that's not what monthly sale is. It means that the production capacity, if improved more, will see more retails happening. But overall, the things are positive, and if production is improved, there is still a market.
On that note, we'll let you go. Thank you so much for joining us today. But